사이 사람 바람 사이 바람 각자의 영원히 바래고 덧칠 되어 발이 닿을 만큼
Idli for my breakfast, some coffee.
I don't wanna change a thing.
I don't think you can see it, but today is such a good day, and I'm done with all the things I need to do today, and I just came out right diary over here in the field and feel a little bit more positive and be a little bit productive and appreciate myself for everything I did for myself and everything I could stand. Still stand. I don't know what I'm even saying.
Told you we'd be closer. After this is over, I'll be the one to hold you. Someday far away. Wishing it would just make sense. Some of these days I get so impatient, walking right along the fence, and I'm losing my balance. 'Cause some nights I remember the first day of summer. That's when it felt like you'd always be mine. Stole you some flowers, stayed up for hours, knew in the morning that it'd be goodbye. I'll be the one to hold you someday far away. I guess I'll get to know you through the time and space. Told you we'd be tausendmal und tausend Sachen auf übermorgen entschieden. Du musst keine Angst mehr haben, ganz einfach, wenn du willst neben mir liegen, komm deck dich zu, wenn du das brauchst. Ich deck dich zu, wenn du mir das erlaubst. I don't wanna change a thing. Thinking that we're right where we're supposed to be. Are you feeling differently? Or do you still find yourself missing me? And our talks on sidewalks, hours long. We watch the sun until it's gone.
He's doing the lawn. I think I'm disturbing him.
It's harder for me.
What do you want? What do you want? Ah, don't! Don't! No!
I guess I'll get to know you through the time and space. Told you we'd be closer. After
What do you want?
this is
Both of you.
over, I'll be the one to hold.
It was way prettier before. It's so dark already now. I thought of like sitting down and read something, but the light's out and then there's nothing I can do. I cannot use this light for very long. Maybe I should just go back I tried to be productive, but here I am, keeping up with this people around me. My eyes are all swollen. I love it here. The sky is so pretty. The air is so cool. It's just me. I can talk to myself. Water is there. I got Coca-Cola for myself. My diary. My notepad. My pouch. Some essentials in it. That's it, I guess. This is making my life worth living. It's raining. Chalo, chalo. We will be getting drunk. Hello guys, welcome back to Bernice vlog. This rain is so rare over here. This feels like I've seen a pony or something.
I don't go out, but I'll do it for you. You never liked it when I drank too much. I hate to dance, but I'll dance with you. 'Cause I'll do anything to feel your touch. Don't like anybody, tell me why it's different with you. Don't believe in love, no one makes me feel like you do. I'm saying
This is a new update in my life. This is so pretty. This is like a green touch in my table.
I'm wrapped around your finger and I can't stop. You know I got a soft spot.